Start spending time with the right type of people if you are serious about being successful. Science says that 92% of people don't achieve success. The other 8% achieve their success not just by setting the right goals and by following a well-disciplined routine, but also by successfully applying Abraham Lincoln's quote, which is, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I'll spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." It means that when one has a goal, one should devote resources to the means one uses for achieving this goal. The most important resource at our disposal for a successful life is other people. According to research by social psychologist Dr. David McClellan of Harvard University, the people you habitually associate with determines as much as 95% of your success or failure in life. It's a fact of life that some people hold us back, while others propel us forward. So here are 5 types of people who will make your journey towards success short and easy. 1. The mentor. We hear the word mentor often in life, but don't see people actively seeking or using mentors enough. The connection between a mentor and a mentee can be the most powerful relationship in business, with so many of the world's most prominent leaders going on record to thank a mentor for part of their success. Richard Branson cites the importance of mentor Sir Freddie Laker in helping him get Virgin Atlantic off the ground. A mentor is someone who has been there, done that. He or she is someone you can turn to ask questions and get advice. If you want to grow your business, align yourself with someone who has succeeded with a similar business model. Identify who has already walked the path you're on. Build or strengthen a relationship with them. Your mentors will help you achieve your goals in less time than it would take to figure it out all on your own. Humans are not always wired to be in growth mode. We get tired and beat up emotionally and physically. We set goals and then fall short. We can't allow ourselves to think we have all the answers because we never will, which is why having a mentor will help you turn the daily adversities of life into successful habits which build your internal resilience. You can find great mentors in professional network events, online mentorship networks, industry meetups, and on LinkedIn. 2. The mark. A mark is a person you want to influence and hear a yes from to move forward. Your mark is the one who can say yes and make your dreams come true, or they could say no and all efforts could feel lost. For your goals, who do you need to hear yes from? A big name client? An investor? Your co-founder maybe? Get clear about your mark. How can you make your idea most appealing to him or her? Your co-workers could be a mark while you motivate them during a project. Your employees could be a mark if you want to achieve a certain target within a time frame. Spending time with your mark is as good as investing in yourself to succeed. Spending time with your employees will make you an attentive listener, patient, appreciative of the special attributes of certain employees, and noticeably grateful for the accomplishments of the team as a whole. Likewise, if a big client is your mark, regular meetings with them and influencing them will not only get you that order, but will also be able to invite feedback that will allow you to learn new information and skills. At the same time, your clients will find you attractive as you grow your personal curiosity and openness. They'll find you trustworthy, optimistic, flexible, poised and cheerful. They may even recommend you to others, which will help you grow fast. If you want to know more about influencing your mark, then you should read this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. 3. The sidekick. The importance of having a sidekick is not only common in novels and in movies, but also in real life. We all need sidekicks. A sidekick is someone who has as much faith in your ambitions as you do and is willing to share your responsibilities. Your sidekick could be your spouse, your highly paid employee, your accountability partner, or your co-worker. Just like Robin is to Batman, your sidekick will often know you better than you know yourself. They will know your limits, and they will also be someone who will push you when the opportunity arrives. Identify your sidekick, spend time with them, and don't be afraid to let your sidekick in on the intimate details of your business. If you've established trust with this person, you shouldn't fear to share information. After all, in order to make effective decisions and contribute quality advice, your right-hand man or woman needs access to all the variables to which you have access. This is the person you trust to take care of your work when you're unavailable. This is the person you need to have confidence in to make important decisions, evaluate strategies, and implement ideas. If you already have a sidekick, then reach out to them today and give them appreciation now for being and staying in your corner. 4. The connector. You have a goal and you know you need to hear a yes from a mark, but you can give up when you realize you don't have direct access to that mark. How can you get a yes when you can't even get a hello? The connector is the person who can introduce you to your mark. He or she makes the connection so you can get your work done. Connectors have a power most people will never have. They always know someone. Most of us have very limited connections. We go to work every day, meet colleagues and clients, go home, see our family, and once in a while go out to meet some friends. So, if we want to connect to someone, we use LinkedIn and later give it up because we can't get that connection. Hence, all of us need a connector. Recognizing a connector is pretty easy. If you have someone around who goes out almost every day to meet friends, this person is most probably a connector. 5. The mentee. Always be someone's mentor. At any phase of your career, you'll always find someone asking for your wisdom. You will always have someone to inspire. Your mentee could be your own kid, your junior at work, your friend, or someone who wants to get connected to you for your experience. This will develop your leadership skills, as well as help others learn, grow, and improve their skills. Refining your leadership skills can strengthen your on-the-job performance, perhaps helping you to get that promotion to higher management. Showing that you've helped others learn and grow is becoming more and more essential to advancement in today's business world. By working with someone less experienced and from the same or different background, you can gain a fresh perspective on things and learn a new way of thinking, which can help you in your work life as well as your personal life, and more importantly, it will be a personally fulfilling experience for you that you've directly contributed to someone's growth and development. Seeing your mentee succeed as a result of your input is a reward in itself. Do comment below with your thoughts on what type of people you need to hang out with to succeed, and also please subscribe to us for more weekly videos like this. Downtown Success will bring you videos that will make your journey towards success short and easy.